Congratulations! Thank you for purchasing your Comfort Mouse Nimble computer pointing device. This instructional video shall demonstrate the proper method to mold your hand so we can manufacture your custom mouse. The volunteer in this video is right-handed. If you happen to be left-handed, your mold kit will be the mirror image of what is shown. The instructions are otherwise identical. If you have not already done so, identify the label marked "Open this side" and using a sharp utility knife, cut through the packing tape and open the shipping carton flaps. Next, remove and set aside the cardboard liner with the stop message indicating to view this instructional video before proceeding. Remove the foam pads used to secure the mold blocks during transit and set them aside. Next, remove the envelope containing the mold kit document packet. Reach into the main compartment and gently remove both mold blocks by grasping the center cardboard divider. The mold blocks are identical, and one will be used for practice. Avoid touching the foam itself until instructed to do so. Now reach into the package and remove the supplied marking pen and roll of packing tape. Both items shall be used later. Open the envelope containing your mold kit documents. Inside you will find 4 items. First, you will find a mold making checklist. Second, you will find a label to identify your practice mold. Third, a label will be found to identify your final mold. And fourth, the prepaid return shipping label. We have provided 2 identical mold blocks and recommend you practice with one of the mold blocks first. First, reach out with your left hand and firmly grasp the corner of the mold block to secure it. Next, take your right hand and place it against the foam block as shown. Keep the side of your pinky down and against the packing insert, and your fingers lightly together. Using firm but small movements, push your palm in and out of the curved end of the foam block, working the heel of your hand into the foam. Every few seconds, move away your hand and inspect the mold. Once you can see a strong, solid impression of the heel of your hand in the curved part of the mold, you are finished with this step. Take your left hand and gently press your right thumb down into the foam until your thumb knuckle is roughly even with the top of the block. Do not use your thumb muscles. Allow the left hand to do the work. 2 buttons will be molded beneath the thumb. One slightly left and one slightly right of center. Lift your thumb and press it down to the left, then down to the right to create the space necessary to add the pair of buttons. Repeat this back and forth until the impressions you make feel correct. Try not to press down deeper than the first impression. Once the thumb pocket is complete, begin working your fingers into the foam. Do this firmly, but with small, repetitive motions, pushing against the foam over and over. Keep your palm tightly against the mold as you do this, curling your fingers inward until it feels as though you are gripping a water bottle. It is better to have too little curve in your fingers than too much. Periodically remove your hand from the foam to view your progress. When you think you're finished, inspect the foam to be certain that you can see all 4 of your fingers in the mold. If not, continue the process until you do. Now let go of the mold with your left hand, and with your right hand, gently hold the mold and make circular motions. A properly formed mold should feel comfortable, and as though you are gently gripping a water bottle or similar object. Do not be afraid to make minor adjustments to the mold by squeezing and relaxing your hand until it feels exactly the way you would like. Place your relaxed hand next to the mold. The shape in the mold should look nearly identical to that of your relaxed hand. Using the pen supplied in the kit, trace the outside of your pinky as shown. Congratulations, you've completed your practice mold. When you are ready, repeat the procedure shown on your final mold. This will be the mold from which we make your comfort mouse. First, grasp the corner of the mold. Next, press your heel of the hand into the foam. Then, use your left hand to press down your thumb. Then make left and right thumb impressions. Next, work your fingers into the foam. Then inspect that all 4 fingers have good impressions. Make circular motions to confirm fit and adjust as necessary. Trace the outside of your pinky as shown. That's it. You're done. First and foremost, make sure to properly label your molds. Both molds are required to repack the shipping carton safely. Locate your practice mold and its corresponding label. Peel the backing and affix the label to the practice mold. Now locate your final mold and its label. Peel the backing and affix the label to the final mold. Turn the molds so they are back to back and insert them into the shipping carton as shown. Locate the foam pads set aside previously and place them gently on top of the molds. Place the cardboard liner with the stop message on top. Then test fold down the carton flaps to make sure they close easily. Adjust the contents if necessary. Take the roll of packing tape and with a sharp knife cut the adhesive band. Unroll the packing tape. Though only 1 piece is required, 2 have been provided just in case. Take a damp sponge and wipe it along the tacky side of the packing tape to activate the adhesive. Next, seal the carton closed by applying the packing tape. Hold the tape in place for a few seconds until it permanently adheres. Last, locate the prepaid shipping label, peel off its backing, and affix the label directly over the original shipping label used to mail the package to you. Congratulations! You made it! Your mold kit is now ready to be mailed back to us.